Hey there, it's Jolene Fisher, No Bad Days health coach. And today I want to show you how to make a healthy margarita, because let's face it, as the weather gets nicer outside, you're going to want to have something that's refreshing and healthy to go to for a drink. And so I have just a few ingredients here. 100% agave tequila. Now this is a key ingredient, obviously, for margaritas is tequila, but I want to highlight the fact that it's 100% agave. Most people don't know that that's very, very important, because the way our body processes alcohol is going to be better if you're doing something 100% natural. So when you're shopping for tequila, look for that label. You're also going to need a little bit of OJ, not a whole lot, and 2 limes cut in half, so 4 halves, and your little lemon or lime squeezer. And for the key ingredient, besides tequila, is Isagenix amped hydrate. So we'll be using a couple scoops of that. You need a blender bowl cup or a shaker cup to make your margarita. This will make about 2 servings. So fill it up with ice. I'm gonna add 3 scoops of amped hydrate. This gives it the sugar that it needs, because amped hydrate has B vitamins, electrolytes, and glucose in it. So that's great for summertime, especially because you're hot and you're sweating a lot and you want a refreshing drink. Not only is this refreshing, but it's also healthy for you. Then you're also going to squeeze your 4 halves into your cup. I'm only going to demonstrate 1 half. As you know, you're going to do all 4. And then you're going to add your tequila. I'm all about convenience, so I don't have any measuring tools here, as you can see. Just pour to your desired amount. I'll have a whole lot less, so we're just going to do it all. And then you add water almost to the top. Add the orange juice at the very top, see, just a splash. Put the lid on and shake really good, because that amped hydrate needs to get shooken up in there. And that's it. Healthy margarita, 2 servings, 1 for you, 1 for a friend, and you're ready to go. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, you can go to nobaddays.biz and go to my blog, where you can find fun, healthy, and convenient nutrition tips for your busy lifestyle. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.